What I wish I knew when I started affiliate marketing? It's way more than just sharing links. Here's the real story. Affiliate marketing actually began in the mid-90s, when the first online retailers realized they could reward websites for sending them customers. Amazon was a pioneer, launching its Associates program in 1996. Suddenly, anyone with a website could earn money recommending products. Fast forward to today, and affiliate marketing powers everything from blogs to TikTok influencers. So how can beginners jump in? Start by picking a niche you're passionate about. Think travel, tech, or fitness. Choose reputable affiliate programs and always disclose your partnerships to build trust. Want inspiration? Look at Wirecutter. They turned honest product reviews into a multi-million-dollar affiliate business. Remember, success in affiliate marketing comes from authentic recommendations, not just chasing commissions. Focus on helping your audience, and the earnings will follow. Ready to get started? Subscribe for more